my time in Bhutan and I'm at this aesthetic place called the Divine Midway.
Okay, this place had the best surprise for me. So when you enter, you could just see it be this amazing, beautiful cafe like any other. And you enter into this pink garden themed cafe with the best food aroma out there. And then there's this secret door that takes you to the best view that makes you feel like you're literally dining among the clouds. What could be better? Trust me, whatever you're seeing in this reel, the real view is a minimum 1,000 times better. It's so beautiful. And you know what? We'd not even asked for it, but then their hospitality was so good, they just bought us this. Okay, and the best part, the owner of this place was okay with the interview. And he was ready to share more information. So let's go.
You can get the view capture.
Or would you sit there?
Oh no, I'm not allowed to sit there.
What is
it's
that?
for like one of the biggest rank monk.
Oh,
Like,
okay.
This dress,
Huh?
this dress like we don't get very easily. We have to keep in the temple for like almost 2-3 weeks. We do a lot of pujas, a lot of ritual activities. Then only we get this dress. So here only the higher authority people are allowed to sit.
Oh.
So we don't deserve right now.
You tell us anything that you feel like would be nice for people to know.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Our God, the fifth king.
Yeah.
Like in your country, जैसे होता है ना, आप दिल से कुछ मतलब इज्जत करते हैं, दिल से मतलब रेस्पेक्ट करते हैं, नोट मतलब जबरदस्ती कुछ नहीं होता है, दिल से जिसको मतलब बहुत इज्जत भगवान जैसे आप भगवान को दिल से मानता है, ऐसे we treat him like this. He is the living God of our. And the next one is our Royal Highness, and that our Galse is gonna be the next sixth king. And the little, then we have J Kempo. Just you know, our Bhutan is a Buddhist country. So according to the Buddhist monk, he is the highest, the rank monk in our country. Like he's also a living God.
Okay. I think I saw his pictures in a lot of places.
Yes, ma'am. That's all out of respect. We treat them more than a god. So what we do, let it be your personal house, let it be any business activities, shops, hotels, anywhere. We make sure we keep this because we respect them from our in our heart. So we always make sure we have this picture. मालूम हो जाता है ना कि भगवान को देख लिया, दिल खुश हो गया. यही होता है.
Like,
See, Bhutan is like free AC.
Yeah.
We don't need AC in our country. Like fresh breath. बोलते हैं ना मैम सांस लेने के लिए ऑक्सीजन चाहिए. भूटान ऑक्सीजन है. मतलब फ्रेश ब्रीथ मिल जाता है आपको.
इधर के चिलीज के बारे में बताइए.
इधर के चिलीज मैम see a local national dish. It's called emadasi. I think you read about it in Google or any websites.
Yes.
It's chili cheese. So we have a lot of varieties of cheese. We have green chili, we have red chili, we have dried red chili. A lot of varieties. Like we are very fond of eating. Buddhist people are very fond of eating chilies.
So, what's unique that any tourist must try when they're in Bhutan?
Bhutanese food, I would probably say you won't get in the entire world. Even I'm a traveler, like I say, I've been traveling to a lot of countries. I do solo traveling, but I noticed one thing. The local cuisines that you get in Bhutan, the local dish, the local rice, you can't get in any parts of the world. Dusra, you get everything, but local khana, the red rice, the chili cheese, the potato cheese, and we have a lot of varieties in non-veg also. You don't get the same stuff what you get in Bhutan in the entire world.
So, what is your favorite location in Bhutan?
Mine, ma'am.
Yeah?
Bhutan is my favorite location, ma'am. देश बहुत सुंदर है तो मतलब मैम एक चीज होता है ना.
एक जगह जहाँ टूरिस्ट को must visit type when they visit
I would
Bhutan.
say whole Bhutan you must travel if you want to go. If you want to know the true Bhutan, you have to travel the whole Bhutan. You feel love with every places. There is nothing such like ये जगह में थोड़ा कम प्यार वो जगह पे ज़्यादा प्यार नहीं. All places has like different unique styles, ma'am. आपको मतलब हर जगह पे ना you get different exposures. मतलब बहुत चीज़ सीखने का मिलेगा मैम. बहुत चीज़ आप देखिएगा. Unique cultures, unique traditions.
Apart from Bhutan, which is your favorite country?
I would say Bali.
Huh?
Bali.
Bali. Oh.
It's a healing country. It's very healing. If you're a perfume lover, you must go to Bali. Like their country, like smells like in different. It gives a different vibe. जैसे Dubai, मतलब Saudi हो गया, it gives you oud
Yes,
taste.
हाँ.
But Bali has a different taste. It's full of perfume. Like even if you go to the public washrooms, you get a very good smell. I love Bali. I love Bali.
Thank you.
Thank you.